At PHL, we want you to check in early and enjoy all of the amenities offered within our airport. As we navigate the new normal during and after COVID-19, we want to make sure we get you what you need quickly and safely. To help get you on your way, we are now offering contactless ordering through the Grab mobile ordering platform. Simply scan one of the QR codes you see at food court tables or download the Grab Airport app to access menus from your favorite PHL restaurants. The entire transaction, from selecting your meal to submitting payment, is handled on your phone. There is no need to wait in line. Simply fly past the line to the designated Grab pickup location once your food is ready. We look forward to seeing you on your next journey and providing a happy, safe, and healthy experience at PHL.